welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie. Oh my gosh, guys, I am digging into this Alex Jones case, and this is insane. This is getting crazy. Apparently, Alex Jones's lawyer flipped off the opposing side in court, guys. What is happening? I have the whole breakdown for you as well. Apparently, Alex is being accused of perjury for cell phone records. If you haven't seen that video, it's either coming out or it is out. Make sure and go check that out. I'll have links in the cards. Guys, this case is getting nuts. So let me give you a little bit of overview. So apparently, Alex Jones, he is somebody who was huge on YouTube. He was he was one of the biggest YouTubers for a while. And he talked about blank theories, please infer, and theories that may or may not be true about different types of things that can get very, very dark. And he's raged against the psychopaths at the top who hurt women and children and sell people. And Alex is a very interesting character because he's over the top. He's a showman. He's admitted that he is an entertainer, and much of what he does is for entertainment purposes, but a lot of his information over time has ended up being right. I'm not taking a side. I'm not saying I'm for or against, guys, but I am just giving you the reality of it. However, in this situation, why is he in trial? Because he was wrong. And he was wrong about an incident at a school, Sandy Hook, that happened years ago that was a horrible tragedy, and children are now not here. Now, let me give you a little bit of the overview. Here's what happened. Alex said that the incident wasn't real, it was staged. This is something he's done with all types of major incidences and things he's claimed. The problem is that in this situation, it seems like, turns out that it was true, and the parents are very, very upset because he did defamation and slander, and this caused his audience to end up harassing them and doing horrible things to their real lives. So let's understand from the parents' perspectives, which my heart goes out to them. They've lost their child or children, and now they have to deal with all of this. So he has already been found liable and guilty when it comes to defamation. Now it's how much are they going to get? But this situation is getting wilder and wilder. First, apparently the cell phone records, they are saying he's done perjury because Alex's lawyer accidentally sent every single text message, and they found out there are some inconsistencies and mistruths. But here's the other one, flips him the bird. Flips him the bird in court, guys. Alex has also accused the judge and said that the judge is somebody who helps psychopaths who hurt women and children, but more children, starts with a P, please infer, has said this about the judge, and the judge is just not having it. The judge is not nice to him. Like I said, this is getting nuts. Why did he flip him the bird? What's happening? Let's take a look. But before we do that, guys, if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Katie, and on this channel, guys, I cover all different types of trending topics, and we laugh at them and we have fun because they're really, really stupid. Not necessarily this one. This one's more sensitive. But for instance, like Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, we hear nothing about that. We hear everything about that and nothing about Ghislaine Maxwell, Jeff, and an airplane. So we just like to giggle at this stuff and see what we can extrapolate, and I just want to do that with you guys. So make sure and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Would love to have you if you want to laugh with me. Also giving away $100 gift card, really simple to be entered and eligible. This is all you have to do. It helps me, it helps you. Like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch the video from start to finish. That's it, you're entered and eligible. I announce a winner on Monday, and almost nobody's doing this. You have a good shot. So let's see what happened. Why did he flip him the bird? Like, what on earth would compel you to think in any way that's going to help your case? What? Okay, we got to see what this is. So here we go. This is from ABA Journal, and it says, lawyer flips the bird at opposing counsel after judge leaves the bench in InfoWars host Alex Jones's defamation case. Here we go. It says a lawyer for InfoWars host Alex Jones called an opposing lawyer a liar and raised his middle finger after a courtroom discussion last week in a defamation damages trial over false claims by Jones about the 2012 Sandy Hook incident in Newtown, Connecticut. Lawyer F. Andino Reynal apologized Thursday for his actions the day before, which happened outside the presence of Judge Maya Guerrera Gamble of the Travis County, Texas courtroom. And by the way, she's the one that Jones said is connected to the psychopaths that run the world that hurt children. So I guess she wasn't there, but you know she heard about it. You know she wasn't happy. It says Insider, KXAN, and News Times and Law 360 have coverage. Reynal flipped the bird after a heated courtroom discussion before the judge outside the presence of jurors. Reynal wanted to introduce new video evidence, but opposing lawyer Mark Bankston opposed the idea because there wasn't enough time to review it all. Reynolds complained that the video that Blankston had shown jurors were cherry-picked and jurors had to see longer videos. Backstrom is on the legal team representing Neil Heslin and Scarlett Lewis, the parents of a 6-year-old child whose life is no longer here because of the 2012 incident that happened at Sandy Hook Elementary School. They claimed that Jones defamed them and caused emotional distress when he called the incident a giant hoax. Gamble had entered a default judgment against Jones in September 2021 for failing to turn over requested information. The trial that began last week is to determine damages. According to New Times, Reynolds became visibly frustrated during the July 27th courtroom discussion, saying his opponents had already agreed that the videos could be introduced. Bankston countered that he never agreed to introduce the evidence. Reynolds said the plaintiff's lawyers were dishonest. Both sides are calling the other one dishonest if you haven't seen it yet. Gamble said that for now, she would assume that Reynolds had been having a bad day. She added, however, that Reynolds should review attorney ethics rules on courtroom decorum. Insane, guys. She also told the lawyers to review the video to decide what is admissible and said the matter would be discussed the next morning. The discussion continued after Gamble left the courtroom. During the conversation, the New Times reports Reynolds got close to Bankston's face and called him a liar several times before raising his middle finger at Bankston. Another lawyer intervened, suggesting that the matter be discussed in a phone call after the lawyers could calm down. Reynolds was contrite Thursday morning, according to the Insider. It says, "I apologize for yesterday's outburst. It wasn't appropriate." Reynolds also said he had apologized in an email to the plaintiff's legal team. Gamble had some advice for the lawyers, and it says, "Next time anybody wants to have an argument, you need to take it outside," she said. Reynolds had experience as a former federal prosecutor and a lawyer for Baker Botts, according to information on his website noted by Law 360. I have the video. It's a short video, guys, but we're going to pull it up.
Will you talk to me? Anina, will you talk to me? Will you talk to me? Will you talk to me? You said in that hallway, you said to me, are all your videos on this
summary exhibit, and we're agreeing to
Hey
all
guys,
these.
hey guys, maybe now's not the time, maybe we can cool off and not have a phone call later.
Voice.
Anything you're gonna say to
No,
me?
I'm just, no, you can go ahead, and then we can not have a fight, and it'll be,
Mark, do you have his phone number?
I don't have.
we're having a fight right now.
Call your phone number down so we can get it, we'll call you after everybody cools down a little bit on both sides. Exactly, which is why I tried to get you voted.
No, you can give me your phone number, Federico. I don't want to talk to you anymore right now. Give me your phone number.
Write it down and give me, I'll text it to you.
You have my phone number?
That'll work.
All right.
Oh my god, y'all saw the one guy. The one guy's like, he's done. He is completely done with this situation. You guys see the one guy's face for the opposing counsel? He's done. They look like they can't freaking stand each other. So guys, and this is the other thing. So if you haven't been noticing or watching, some people haven't watched, they don't know. Both sides have been accusing the other ones of being dishonest. And I'm just amazed that it got to the point where the bird is flipped and they're in each other's faces. But you can tell this is heated and they cannot stand each other. Oh my goodness. I don't know. What do you guys think? And I will say, with as hard as the judge has been, and if the judge is having Alex, make statements that the judge is, not somebody nice with the psychopaths and children, I can understand why the judge might not be pro-Alex. Like, full disclosure, I get it, right? But it actually seems like the judge let this slide and was fairly-ish nice about it. At the same time, you have to think that the judge probably thinks that this whole thing is absolutely ridiculous. And what I mean by that is, I'm not talking about Sandy Hook. Obviously, that was a horrible situation that happened. My heart goes out to everybody. But I just mean what is ensuing in the courtroom is getting more and more crazy. And I just wonder, after Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, are we just going to see more and more different types of people and celebrities and antics that end up having court situations that just become crazy, weird, viral moments? I don't know. What do you guys think about all this? I'm really curious. Sound off in the comments. And if you like this video, guys, make sure and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Would love to have you around on this channel so we can laugh at stuff like this and figure out what the HELL is going on. Also, $100 gift card giveaway. Very simple. Helps me help you. All you have to do, like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch the video from start to finish. Do it for every video. Almost nobody's doing it because my channel is small. Okay, guys, take care. Lots of love, lots of blessings. Till the next video, I'm giving everybody hugs. Mwah, kisses. Stay safe. And as always, your girl. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.